Hello. So this is day 2. Night and day. Look like a completely different person. But this is how my hair turned out. It's not super wavy, but I like it. I like the color. So far I realized with me dyeing my hair platinum blonde, I haven't been able to achieve it on a first attempt yet, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with doing it 2 times. Once you get used to doing it yourself, it really doesn't take that long. It literally is just letting it sit on your hair for an hour. The second go around, I let it sit on my head for like an hour and 15 minutes. And then I got this color. I did not tone it. I just left it because a lot of people in my comments on YouTube were like, when you've done certain looks, you didn't need to tone your hair and whatnot. So I just left it as such, and it's fine. I didn't have any brass or anything, but I'm on my way to run an errand, and then I'm going to be shooting some content and collabing with a photographer. So should I go this way today? Let me go this way today. So you guys stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to show you how I'm looking. Did my makeup. I have false strip lashes on today. I haven't worn these in a long time. But yeah, get into it. Let me try to put my head down for a second. Yeah, I'll try to get more shots to show you guys, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a bald baddie, join the family. I'm trying to put more content out there. And yeah, if you're a DIY girly, follow me on TikTok, IG, and let's just be friends and talk and just be people and not overthink it. But yeah, love you guys. Peace out.